back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to track mood and energy with Bearable app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to track mood and energy with Bearable app, all you gotta do is simply get logged in into your account. Once you have logged in into your account, your Bearable app can help you log daily entries, use quick taps, and track other factors like symptoms, sleep activities, and medications. So you can simply use your Bearable app to track your mood and energy by helping and using its reports and graphs to simply visualize your reports. Like you can analyze your pattern through it, and if you have like some issues, you can analyze these reports to identify what habits, treatments, or lifestyle choices may be positively or negatively affecting your mood and energy level. Along with it, the insights you gain can be used to have more informed conversation with your doctor by sharing reports showing changes in your mood and symptoms. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.